Hi, welcome to this new episode of HubSpot 101, the series where I share useful tips and tricks to use the basic features of HubSpot. And today I would like to have a deep dive in the meeting tool. So if you are using HubSpot for a while now, you might have already set up your meeting tool, which is like a really useful way to be able to book a meeting with you by making sure it's matched with your calendar and it looks like that when a lead click on the link. But what if I tell you that just one of the features of this meeting capacity of HubSpot? Because actually, once you connected your calendar and set up your meetings link, you will have a lot of possibilities for you to directly book a meeting with specific lead directly in his record page. So that's a fake record I created for this video, and when you move to meetings, you will be able to create a meeting that will send an automatic invite to the lead. So you can go to the day and the time you want and select the slot you want. Of course, you can modify it here, add a title, check the attendees, add a location if wanted, add a reminder as well, like basically all the normal book a meeting options. You can add a description and you can save, and automatically your meeting will be booked and the invitation will be sent. Another way of using this meeting tool is when you send emails to your contacts. So by clicking on create email, you will have the possibility to choose meeting. So either you can include a specific meeting link you created to make the contact book the option you want, or you can click on insert proposed times and you will be able to select until 10 different time slots to propose a meeting with the lead. So for instance, we have these 6 options. You can of course change everything on it and insert time. And at the end of your email, you will have this quick option and the lead just need to click on one of these options to book a meeting with you at the time you selected before. So that was 2 ways to use the meeting link within a contact record. I hope this video was useful for you. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel to be sure to not miss any new videos. And if you want to get a deeper knowledge on how to set up an optimized HubSpot portal, you can find in the description below a link to my free training that contains more than 30 videos on how to set up a portal in the best way possible. It was Greg. I wish you a nice day and see you soon.